President Hoover Library in West Branch, Iowa. We have just finished all the exhibits, and now we are heading up towards the gravesite. Hoover wanted to be buried up on a hill with his dear wife Lou. Over and from the hill he can overlook town, or he could. Very nice day to be outside today. His grave is made out of white marble. I'm not sure from where. I know that FDR's was made of Vermont, but flagpole, as with the many other president graves that we have been to. Alright, we're walking up the long pathway to our 31st president, the last one on this trip. Hoover tried to feed the hungry, but when it came to the election of, I believe it was 31, or I'm not sure, 32 or so, he lost to Franklin Roosevelt. The pathway is very long. Hoover has been dead for about 40 years now. If I remember so, he died in 64, so yeah, 40 years. Although it depends which month. Right. Getting closer to the grave. The flagpole seems to have an eagle on it. Very sunny where Hoover is. It's a lot shadier when we're walking under the trees. A bench made of probably the same marble his grave is made of. Another bench. Notice they were born the same year. I believe Hoover was in his 80s when he died. Oh no, wait a minute, he was 90 years old. One of the oldest living presidents. What do you mean?
I mean, stop moving around, stay still.
Okay, so I'll focus on that here. He lived to be 20 years older than she did, so she was about 70, 80, 69. Somewhat of that depends which month and date she lived into. That's the 5th one of this trip. The last one of this trip. We'll be flying out of Cedar Rapids tomorrow. Hi, Mama. Hi, Olivia. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, we have to go quick because they're closing in a couple of minutes. This is home that Hoover was born in. It's only a 2-room house.
J.C. Hoover, that's the shot. Okay, that's
This is it. We're closing in about 1 minute,
That's
right?
okay. It's all right. You're gut time.
Oh, this is it. So this is the
Got
2-room
three
house.
little kids, 2 grumpy parents.
Oh boy. Small.
He had a brother, Herbert had an older brother and a younger sister. So, till they moved from this house, children were 8, 5, and 3 when they moved from this
okay,
house.
so
But,
here
8, 5, and
slept in that bed probably.
yeah, I got a trundle bed underneath the big bed. Put a couple boys in there.
See that pulls
Cradle
out
for the
underneath?
littlest
Yeah.
one. Put all 3 of them in when they get big enough, but
Wow.
cradle for the smallest one. Keep
Oh
them
yeah, that's
squished,
one.
but- Yeah, it's pretty much the same size
Wow.
as the big bed. Rest of the furniture, and here's period furniture. It's from the era, just not necessarily something the Hoover family owned.
Right. And now what about for cooking or?
The stove is out in the summer
Uh,
kitchen. It'll come back in about mid-October.
Okay, summer kitchen.
That's the sun.
Okay. Clock.
Hey,
As well.
remember he was a blacksmith?
Yeah, his father was a blacksmith.
His father. Thank you.
Remember that's his,
His father was a blacksmith.
well, that was very simple. There it is.
Is
Why do they have it always in the shape of a moon?
I don't know, that lets a little light in, correct?
Well, why a moon?
I don't know. His father was a blacksmith.
It's just like we're going back in time, just like Lincoln's.
Yeah.
Seat for boys, Tad and Birdie. And I'm guessing for Bert he is. Cool. Yeah. Herbert. Herbert is Herbie.